What's up, guys? We're checking out some new Defender HD11 accessories here, and of course Thumper Fab had to come out with a Thumper bumper to protect the backside of your rig. Let's check it out. Full coverage protection, side to side, a full coverage protection back here that gives great protection for this rear tailgate, anything that you're going to come backing up on the trail, tight trails, sometimes just send it a little too hard. This bumper provides some great protection for the back plastics here, your tail lights, everything back here to keep it well protected. But what really sets this bumper apart and makes it truly unique is it is engineered and designed for strength to be able to add a winch back here. Now, having a winch back in the rear is super helpful if you're going down a long muddy trail and just get completely covered up. Sometimes it's just easier to winch yourself back and just go another route rather than continuing to winch way far down that path. Or it comes in super handy when the buddy behind you can't make it through. So having a winch back here, super handy on these off-road vehicles that just can go absolutely anywhere and sometimes need a little help. So having the bumper and all the strength that we add to this to be able to support that winch, really what makes this a very strong design. D-rings back here in the back to be able to add shackle mounts to. Lights are behind these custom colored accent panels. You can see we did custom color on these to really kind of set it out and let the ride become your own. Tie in other color accents all the way around and really make this unique. Something new and something specific on the HD11, especially the limited models with that nice big screen up front, have a rear reverse camera. So our bumper here in the middle, we've relocated that camera mount, brought it further back out so you can still see a good view behind you and be able to utilize that camera up there in the cab. Now, of course, on a big utility vehicle like this, still need to be able to use the utility aspect of it. So, of course, even as big and as strong as this bumper is, still allows the tailgate and, of course, the bed to dump, even with the bumper mounted. So we want to be able to keep that form, keep that functionality, and make sure that this is something that works for you all the time. One great aspect about this bumper, and we've seen a lot of our customers do it, you know, maybe they don't necessarily need to run a winch back here, but it still gives you the great style and the great protection back here. And especially in some areas where they have OHV license plates and all, this gives you a great spot to be able to mount your license plate. Has relief holes here to be able to make that an easy thing to be able to wire up in a nice secure location that is not going to get knocked off on the trail. All right, guys, so check out some serious style and protection for your HD11. Check it out, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you. We'll see you on the trail.